Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to sign an invoice or an estimate created by the Invoice2go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on either the invoices or estimates section and click on the relevant one that you want to add your signature. So scroll down till you find the sign button. Here you can select either the declaration. As you can see, this appears above signatures or invoices and estimates. So you can type it in. And here you can add the client's signature. So here you can add your signature, select the exact date, and then tap on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen. You can add more than one signatures. So here you will be able to find it, as you can see on this document. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.